5 vegetables that pull sugar out of your blood. Did you know some vegetables can actually pull sugar out of your blood? That's right. If you're dealing with high blood sugar or trying to support diabetes, adding these veggies to your diet could make a real difference. And the best part, you can find them in almost every grocery store here in the US. Number 1. Kale, the king of leafy greens. It's loaded with fiber and antioxidants that help slow down sugar absorption in your bloodstream. Just throw it in a smoothie, salad, or saute it with garlic. Easy win for your blood sugar. Number 2. Spinach. Super low in carbs but rich in magnesium. Magnesium is like a secret weapon for helping your body use insulin more effectively. Add it to omelets, soups, or even pasta dishes. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli isn't just a boring side dish. It's got sulforaphane, a plant compound that may actually repair blood vessel damage caused by high blood sugar. Roast it, steam it, or make broccoli soup. Your body will thank you. Number 4. Okra. Some people call it nature's blood sugar sponge. That sticky fiber inside helps slow sugar from hitting your bloodstream too fast. Try it grilled, in soups, or lightly fried. Number 5. Brussels sprouts. Tiny cabbages packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. They help your cells respond better to insulin. Roast them with olive oil and a pinch of sea salt. It's so good. These veggies aren't a cure, but they're powerful tools for keeping blood sugar stable. Comment sugar if you want to see more videos like this.